Well, sa circular naman po, merong presumption na tinatawag kapag hindi nakapag-liquidate na maayos ang case. It's a
Yes, but
presumption of misuse or misappropriation.
yes, and that's a disputable presumption, right?
It's a prima facie presumption.
Yes, a prima facie presumption is a disputable presumption. It's not a conclusive presumption, meaning yung prima facie, so lilipat yung onus sa kabila na i-prove na mali. Tama?
Yes po.
Yes, so hindi pa yun yung, hindi ka pa rin dumating dun sa point na yun, na parang, hindi, as far as COA is concerned, ninakaw mo to. Again, I'm not talking about this case in general. At what point, nga, when you have a final COA document saying na yun, kasi pag sinabi mo lang restitute lang, it can be restitute because you didn't use it for what you were using it for.
Based on the rules of COA po, since ito i-appeal po yung, pwede rin i-appeal yung NG. At kapag naglabas si commission proper ng decision at hindi po na-comply si agency dun sa decision, then pwede nang endorse with the ombudsman in case for the filing of criminal charges.
So, I'm okay. I just want to hear the answer of both the
With the permission of Senator Judge Allen, asking the counsels for the parties that same question would already make them give their own versions of the law, which I think should be coursed through the witness, similarly to how you ask the question to the witness, instead of it being based on the record, based on their own points of view.
Well, anyway, we will have 2 more COA witnesses, but I think to all of us who are neutral, that's the big question. What point is it criminal? And I just wanted to give that.
I will be clarifying that too during my second round.
Then I will leave it up to you, Mr. Judge Officer. I apologize, prosecution and the defense, you will not have a chance to answer that, but during the time of the presiding officer, you will be able to. Or maybe even in the summation of the
Thank you for your understanding, Senator Judge Allen. Senator Judge Soto for his interjection. An availment of round 2.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Senator Nick Subiri, former Senate President, somehow tinkered my cerebral quietness when he said something about the issue of confidential funds. So this question would be, as a senator, not just an impeachment judge, I hope you allow me, because this is just one question for the witness, and if we can get the prosecution panel or the defense panel to give their opinion. Alright? Yung confidential word kasi, pag ginagamit, parang intelligence eh. Parang ganun din eh. Diba? Parang sinasabi mo, so it is abused. Bakit hindi sa budget masusunod and we want your opinion para mas magko-conform sa circular ko? Palitan natin, huwag na confidential.